Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. This is Kisa Tech at your service. Today, we're diving deep into the intriguing world of Asus, a brand that continues to make a formidable impact in the consumer electronics market. If you're a proud owner of the Asus ROG Phone 7, we have something incredibly useful for you: the Asus ROG Phone 7 LCD replacement. Whether it's for a minor mishap or a major fall, we'll discuss why this component is a must-have for your device. Let's face it, the Asus ROG Phone 7 is a fantastic smartphone, known for its sleek design, impressive performance, and user-friendly interface. It's a powerhouse tailored for gamers and tech enthusiasts alike. This phone is a significant investment, and like any premium device, it's susceptible to damage. And one of the most vulnerable parts? The LCD screen. The LCD, liquid crystal display, is the window to all the amazing features of your phone. It's where you see your games, your videos, your messages, and everything else. It's the interface through which you interact with this incredible piece of technology. Now, accidents happen. We've all been there. That moment of panic when your phone slips from your grasp and you watch it tumble towards the unforgiving ground. Or maybe a careless bump, a scratch from keys in your pocket, or even just everyday wear and tear. The consequences can be devastating, from minor cosmetic blemishes to completely shattered screens. Cracked or malfunctioning LCDs can significantly impair your phone's functionality. Obvious signs of damage include: 1. Cracks and shatters. These are the most apparent and usually result from a direct impact. 2. Dead pixels. These are small black or colored dots that appear on your screen and don't display the correct image. 3. Screen bleeding. This appears as areas of distorted color or light leakage, often along the edges of the screen. 4. Unresponsive touch. The screen may not respond to your touch, making it impossible to navigate or use your phone. 5. Display distortion. This can range from discoloration to lines or patterns that obscure the image. These issues can turn your powerful gaming device into a frustrating experience. Imagine trying to dominate a game with a blurry or unresponsive screen. It's a recipe for defeat and disappointment. Why an Asus ROG Phone 7 LCD replacement is a must-have. An Asus ROG Phone 7 LCD replacement is crucial for several reasons. 1. Restores full functionality. Replacing the damaged LCD restores your phone to its original state, allowing you to fully utilize all its features. You'll be able to game, stream videos, and communicate without limitations. 2. Preserves your investment. The Asus ROG Phone 7 is a significant financial investment. Replacing the LCD is often a more cost-effective solution than replacing the entire phone, especially if other components are still in good condition. 3. Ensures optimal gaming experience. The ROG Phone 7 is designed for gaming. A clear, responsive screen is essential for achieving optimal performance and enjoying the immersive experience this phone offers. Input lag or screen defects can ruin a session. 4. Peace of mind. Knowing you have a readily available replacement means you can mitigate the impact of accidental damage. You can quickly restore your phone, minimizing downtime and inconvenience. 5. Easy fix and saves money. The components are relatively inexpensive compared to replacing the whole phone. You can replace it yourself with the aid of online tutorials or take it to a professional repair service. Where to find an Asus ROG Phone 7 LCD replacement? 1. Online retailers. Websites like Amazon, eBay, and specialized mobile phone parts suppliers offer a wide selection of replacement screens for the Asus ROG Phone 7. Always research the seller's reputation and read customer reviews before making a purchase. Ensure the product is specifically for the ROG Phone 7 model. 2. Local repair shops. Many local phone repair shops stock replacement parts or can order them for you. This can be a convenient option, especially if you're not comfortable with DIY repairs or you prefer an experienced technician. Professional repair. Pros. Expert technicians with experience. Ensures the repair is done correctly. Often includes a warranty on the repair. Saves time and effort. Cons. More expensive than DIY repair. You need to search for a reputable service. Conclusion. An Asus ROG Phone 7 LCD replacement is a vital investment for all owners of this exceptional gaming smartphone. Protecting your screen and having a replacement strategy ensures that you can continue to enjoy the phone's amazing performance and functionality. Choose the right replacement, make your decision on DIY or professional installation carefully, and keep your ROG Phone 7 in top-notch condition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.